So I'm basically going heel in the back foot to toe to heel to toe. I'm rocking back and forth from heel to toe. With my knees bent. Can you bend down? So go forward, backwards, forward, backwards, forward, backwards. Now you turn like you do, but what you gotta do is you gotta turn it all the way through. Think of it like a whip.
Wow. Stay guys. Punch it out. Look in the eye. Take a seat.
But see, what I'm kind of doing is I'm sort of pushing off with the back foot. I'm pushing myself like when I punch. Turn it all the way through. And we should punch with these two knuckles. Yeah, so think about grabbing with your fingers.
Give it. Give it.
I want to take both of his ears.
1, 2, catch up. Catch a bitch.
He's gonna try to take him back though, so you gotta be quick.
Yeah, shit.
Give me candy. Touch your boobies. Just 2 fingers though. You gotta touch your boobie. When you touch the boobie, you wanna touch it underneath.
I like
Touch it
that.
underneath. Real fast though. That way she's like, what happened? You'll be like,
Take up like how?
now do this. So give me your boobies and then duck. Because she's gonna try to slap you. Give me your boobies, duck. Duck forward on your front leg.
Oh, okay. Oh wait, crap.
I'll show you why. Because you're gonna go, give me your boobies, duck, and slap her back. But you want to duck this way. So
Duck?
See how I'm bent? I'm bent over. Can you mimic that? Do exactly like that. Slap. Turn your foot.
Is that a
Slap.
side cross?
Yep. So,
So-
give me your boobies, duck, slap.
So, give me the boobies. Duck, duck, slap.
I'm coming on my front leg. I'm coming over like this.
Like that?
Yep. Hands here. So, ooh. And then you roll by going down. Oh. So she's slapping you. You duck. Roll. Woo. So, give me a boobies. Duck. Slap.
Give me the boobies. Duck, slap.
Oh, wrong hand, but.
Oh, sorry.
Well, the move is like, it's the classic combo. It is a jab, duck, crop. You have to be down here because you're launching off this leg into it. That make sense?
Yeah, okay, so.
Give me your boobies. Duck, slap.
Okay. Duck.
Give me your boobies. Duck.
That would knock her out. That would literally legitimately. She would fall on the floor and.
I guess that was the jab.
Okay, so. Okay, so.
Let's do this. Let's just try it one hand. So snatch, duck, slap. Because this is what I want to focus on the turning. Turning. You want to like use your shoulder to like this is dead.
Yeah.
You pretend your arm is a chain and there's a ball on the end of it. So you're like what?
That's still a good one.
Yeah. But you still want to keep good form. So snatch, duck, slap.
Okay, so snatch, duck,
Yeah. Keep them in. Duck.
Duck.
Load up.
Load up.
Twist.
Twist.
Slap.
Duck. Give me the boobies.
Duck.
Duck.
Bam. Bitch, slap that thing. Just go. Just come across your face like that. Just turn the front foot, not the back. Just the front foot. Keep driving the target. No, that for now. Here, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Now, with 3, make sure your hands are right at your chin. Yes.
Okay, so
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You make sure you put your hands back. 1, 2, duck. Wow, hands back.
okay.
So once you slap it,
Yeah.
jump back in the fighting stance.
What's this like?
Just get out. Wow.
Oh.
You're coming this way. So almost lean, like, make the target like you're going, 1, 2, gimme. Duck. So you almost want to be, you're ducking at the 10 o'clock on the clock.
Okay.
If I'm a clock,
Yeah.
I'm the shorthand, 10 o'clock. And then you want to return to 3.
Okay.
And then, so I'm dink,
Yeah.
dink, wow.
That's like the only.
But my feet are in the same spot.
That the kablam is the only one where your feet were.
But I return to, like, I'm in the same spot.
Yeah. 1, tickle. 2,
Reach forward,
gimme.
twist into it, return to a fighting stance.
1, tickle. 2, gimme.
Really reach for it. Return to a fighting stance.
Tickle.
You're reaching for it. Because you're trying to punch somebody, you're trying to jab.
Yeah.
So imagine she's walking away and you're like, give me that belly! Load up and hi-ya, Super Saiyan! Who do you not like at school? Here, you're going, America! Wow!
Okay, so 2.
Really
Activating.
push off that leg, twist the leg.
Activating ultra mode.
And turn the foot. There you go. So that was almost perfect because you threw yourself, but you kind of came off your feet. So the idea, what you really want to do is just sort of launch with the leg, twist. That way you don't lose your fighting stance.
Yeah.
But we can always.
You're gonna die. You die. Activating punch mode.
Waist. Bam, there you go. Just like you're just like walking up to him and you're like,
Just I'm like, oh hi Ethan, how's your day? You leave me alone.
you're
He's been leaving me alone.
launching from your back leg and you're springing out.
Like
You're like-
Superman. Ethan doesn't really bother me anymore because I kicked his ass last time.
One hand across your chest.
So.
You got your hand out here and you're just talking and you're like, guys, I just don't really want any. You know what I mean? You see where I'm going with this?
Yeah. I don't really want any. Yeah.
So you're like, I don't, you can always bring this arm out here. You can start loading up. You're like, look guys, I just don't really want any.
Come on, fight me, ass.
You start going with this like that, you understand. You know, the other day it was just a little.
Yeah. Okay, can you please let's not resort to.
That's good punch though. You still want to like. Should I throw my whole body through that?
Hayuka.
Just through my whole body. I'm like, the birds are like, oh, look at that. Wow. Step sideways. 1, 2. Let's spread these out a little bit. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Keep your feet a little closer together, so keep your knees back. Like you're doing this. Oing, oing. And throw the punches. Use your waist. So, get a good fighting stance. Just practice going around it. Deep. Lean forward. Look at my foot. See, I'm pivoting on the front of the foot. There's the slap, and then I can step. Alright?
And then there's the.
And there's the kick. And I can come under him, he's a big guy, and I can bow like that. Now you go, right, you go step right, and then you step back with your front foot. Back foot, front foot, back foot, front foot. Then you go forward, back, right, left.
Back.
Yep. You can do faster. Forward, back, right, left. That's the tricky part. Yep. All while keeping those hands up. That's why I practice holding my hands at my chin. So it's like forward, back, left, right. Forward, back,